Hello and welcome to the December 16th, 2009 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Well, today we're featuring Cintas Corp, ticker symbol CTAS. This is a $4.5 billion services company. They provide corporate identity uniforms and related business services in both the United States and Canada. If you look back, you can see that as the market bottomed in early March, Cintas also bottomed back then, has made a pretty steady move to the upside, although we did have some weakness in throughout May and June and into early July. But it's this latest uptrend that's really gotten our attention. We went straight up from about $21.50 in the second week of July, all the way up to almost $31 in late September, and off of that straight uptrend, that straight move to the upside, what the stock needed and what it appears to be getting is a consolidation phase where we see this cup and potentially a cup and handle pattern forming. Now right now we're in this potential cup phase. On the right side of the cup, normally as you get up closer to the resistance and up toward the top of the cup, we should start seeing some more volume come in. So we made a note here that we would like to see some expanding volume as we start making our way up toward the right side of this cup. But if we do in fact make our way back to $30.85 or thereabouts, what we would look for is a pullback to maybe come back and meet the 20-day moving average, which is now on the rise. It's down here right now at 28.97, but that will continue to rise. And what we would expect is that once the cup forms up near that 30.85 level, the 20-day will rise up, perhaps get as high as $29.50 to $30, so that when we get just a normal pullback in terms of price, we could put that handle in right back down to about the 20-day exponential moving average. Now that's a pattern that we are looking at possibly forming here. Obviously we won't know for sure until it actually evolves, but if in fact we do get the cup to go up to about 30.85 and then we put in a little bit of a handle, ultimately a breakout above this 30.85 level would measure up closer to about $34.50. Anytime you have a cup, the top of the cup down to the bottom of the cup, if you measure the number of points there, which in this case is about probably about $3.50 or so, once you make a breakout, so if we break out close to this $31 level, you can tack those 3.5 points on as a measurement to give you a guide of what to look for down the road. In this case, we would be looking for somewhere in the 34.25 to 34.50 area for CTAS. So all in all, I think the stock looks good. It is going through this consolidation phase. Eventually, we expect this one's going to break out and continue moving higher. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.